two leave out. We in this bitch finna go to this fast dudes meet in the rack, going crazy. On the grave, got folks in this bitch eating a chalupa box. Y'all in this bitch decent for you see big beat through that two leave out shit. And this shit. Shut the fuck up, bro. Outcast in this bitch. What? What? You lost the keys? For they right here? Oh shit, damn, no they ain't. What the fuck? How the fuck? The nigga say he lost the keys in the car. The nigga say, hey boy.
I fucking knew it. Fucking knew it, cuz. Turn up, cuz.
This nigga say you take your fucking keys out when you be driving?
No, bro, this shit's a repo. So it don't go in. Turn it to the left.
Oh shit.
Take it out. It don't. The key don't hold. You say your shit like if you put it in, it might hold your key. My shit fall out, folks. They repoed the copies.
Damn, folk. This bitch still.
You stole this bitch. Striker gang.
Strike. What he say? Say it again. Leave me alone. Feel getting that? Hey, phone dead, but we charging this bitch. Getting the content. You feel me? Right now we on 175th at the gas station. Right quick, you know, chilling. Hey, imaging this bitch, loose from the bitch. Hey, hit this bitch. Hey, boy. Hit this bitch. Hit this bitch for the
Nothing
what the fuck, boy, your ass? And this bitch looking freaky as hell. Somebody freaky ass granddaddy. High shit. High shit. Yeah. We got so much fast shit out here. The bitch ass Benz over there. 2020 scat, then we got, hold on. But say something to him. Say something to him, folks.
See, Cooper's room is up here.
Fuck you talking about. You see the outcast. Fuck you talking about. Alloy shit. Fucking douche. Hey, matter of fact. Hey. Say something to the fucking vlog, dude.
Fuck the vlog.
Mr. Mobley. On the grave. Ugly as hell. Books as hell. This bitch do it though. Hit them bitches. What's the word, boy? Hit them. Police. Get in the vlog, folks. Say something to this bitch, boy. Too fast, can't catch, and we real outside, real outcast shit. You feel me?
Real outcast shit.
Hey, you see, look at the Brembos on that bitch. You feel me? Hey, real boys. Tell them what this is.
I ain't gotta say too much, but that's what's sleeping for. What's going on?
Yeah, yeah. Woo. We out this bitch. Jay came through, shutting shit down on phone them grave. Decent shit, you feel me? Jay came, dog shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Everybody just came over here because we came through shutting shit down. We just, that'd be raw as hell on team. We just came through decent as hell. Hey, Alloy, where Alloy? I'm finna stand on your shit.
Hey, so there was no Mac out. They not gonna let us in, folks.
Wait, oh yeah, over there.
I did have to try to that. You did a whack.
We out here decent. It's hella little shit out here. Hey, folks, on my daddy, this portable charger right here, shorty. On my daddy. Shorty. My daddy. Bitch, take off my hat. Say something. Folks in the back with us. Get with us. Trying to if it's decent type shit. Very decent little shit. Make sure you want to jump on the street type shit. Hold on, boy. Say something to the vlog right quick. We just came down, shutting shit down.
Man,
You see, we just came in this.
bag.
You
Wait
see,
till
we
I get
just
my
came
shit
in this
back.
bitch going crazy, shorty on Slate Tup.
Oh, that shit was tough as hell though.
I swear to God.
Go back. Man, I need my shit today. I dropped. Guess how much I dropped?
Motherfucker said 900.
What? They near double that.
What?
Yes.
Like what? 15?
Yes.
Oh shit! Say something to the motherfucking vlog, bro. Motherfucker, see you. Fuck
the vlog.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, folks. Fuck you.
You just came through and sold this bitch up.
I know we just came through going crazy right quick. ZL1, phone him.
This bitch was dead till y'all gonna leave.
I know. So we really the party, gang. Hey, gang. What we finna get on? We finna check some cars out. Check it the fuck out there, bro. Let me grab my drink. Yeah, that bitch. 300 out there, bro. 300 was just decent as hell, bro.
Hey, for us,
What you doing? What? Do Demon 300?
Yes, a Demon 300. Oh, this
That blue one?
next to it. Next to it for the strictly 300 one.
That's a
Walk
Demon?
over there for look at the hood. Get it on your camera, nigga. Walk over.
Check it out, fool.
You gotta see it.
No, fool. One deal, fool. Cause I'm like, strictly 300.
They jumping, so they gotta jump too, bro.
Hey, boy. This bitch got a demon in it?
Nigga, what?
Shit. 170? Damn. Strictly 300. They out here nasty shit. Damn. SRT Jeep back there. You know we gotta shout out the Jeeps here to the shit. They can eat a fucking Frank. My kid. Wait, what you in for? You in a SS?
I'm walking.
Merge.
Walking this motherfucker.
Wait, this? Damn, what this is? Oh, this is an SRT8? Damn, this bitch smacking. Oh, you can say second gen SRT8, fool. You see this bitch, fool? What that bitch say, 180 on the dash, fool. Y'all see that shit? I ain't got a SRT shit, bro. This bitch raw as hell, boy. Say something to the vlog, boy.
Well, what up, fuck?
Shout your Instagram shit out.
What?
You got Instagram?
Said what?
You got Instagram?
Yeah,
Shout that bitch out.
she know from the 800, bro. Add me, bro.
I bet on, bro. We had fast dudes, motherfucking comment. They are decent as hell. This bitch. Oh, that's what's up. What the fuck? Track? What the fuck?
You wish to do this again, you must contact the village landing town hall and set it up.
Type shit.
We gonna get the car right now. Press triangle.
Beat the
Press
dog.
triangle on that nigga, man. Get him out of there.
Track that bitch. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna get one of them. Out here. Oh, phone up. Out here. Decent as hell. What up? With a man on the sun of sail, we don't keep, come on down. Call us dear, call us nigga. Wow, I got weed up in the basement, money on the couch. Get it? Yeah, we out here. Track. Nah, that's a track. Shit! Bye.